chance, right? We want to be cutting down nets at the end of the season. Okay, I know it's early in the year, we got a long way to go, but this is a huge one. This is our opportunity. It's the only time we get them on our court. Right, here's our chance. Okay, here we go. Win on three. 1, 2, 3, win. Go.
Some of that West Coast gangsta shit. Oh, wait. It's a whole nother day. I'm back up in ya, Snoop Eagle Double G. I represent her. Been away for a while, but you all know I'm still doggy styling, no death row. Got things locked down, sold up. So if you plan on coming out, fool, hold up. It's a stick up, get up. They got your disc on the shelf, what mine is too. And guess who they gon' pick up? Some fools think they know a hit, but they don't. Some inmates escape, but some won't. I'm bumping heads with busters. Where you from? Eastside, Long Beach, represent 2-1. The homie just got paroled, and he got more stories than the highway patrol. Telling me about the money Suge Knight stole, but don't let that leak, cause fool, I get swole. I see you trying to get in and get at me. You put me up on game, telling me you gon' jack me. But ever since I was a puppy, till I was full grown, I never had no other dog pulling on my bones. Say Snoop, upside your head. 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 I see these rappers in the game be doing way too much, acting tough with this East-West Coast stuff. See me, I'm all about my money, man. I stay fly and dry, I don't get caught up in the rain. Cause game, recognize game. No matter where you're from, we all can get dumb, insane, and turn the party out, without a doubt. Unless you them fools who ain't got no clout. LBC and beware of my crew. Cause we out here stuck on the crazy glue. Upside your head like oops, Snoop's the limit. Go get it and bump it in your group, you can't avoid it. Homeboy, this is vintage, I represent it from VA to Venice. So when it's timid and cold outside, rely on the doggy dog to put the heat in your lives. It ain't no fun, I'm sitting up in court, cause somebody got done. What really counts is how the crowd bounces. Go home and say, Snoop rocked the party. Nobody got killed is what got announced. I guess they got a chance to see Dr. Bombay. But I keep my heat in case brothers get cold. Warm you up with the sheet, zip you up and roll. Now, Doggy Style Records is now official. Getting money out the biz ain't but my initials. Shipping records overseas, I'm making G's with who you may call enemies.